Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm joined again by my gorgeous friend Victoria, and it's her junior prom day, and I'm so happy that she chose me to do her makeup on this very important day, and I wanted to film a tutorial for you and to show you how to recreate this look. I'm also so excited to let you know that I partnered with Rimmel London to bring you an amazing giveaway. So be sure to watch this video till the very end for details on how to enter. And without further ado, let's get started. As always, I'm starting with the eyes first, and I'm taking MAC's Soft Ochre Paint Pot and I'm running it across the entire lid up to the brow bone to prime the entire eye area. And now I'm taking Rimmel's Breathable Concealer to further define the area right underneath her brows. Now I'm just setting up everything with a bit of a translucent powder. To go ahead and take the MAC Mischief Minx palette and mix those two orangey copper shades, and I'm going to apply them on the moving part of Victoria's lid, basically pressing them into the lid to ensure that the pigment is very strong. And now I'm switching to Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat palette, and I'm using the color Hot Spell to blend it into the crease and to blend those two eyeshadows together to ensure a very smooth transition. I just recently got this palette and I must say I'm really obsessed with it. It's a very tiny palette but really packs a huge punch, and I've created so many amazing looks with it already, so I highly recommend you getting this palette. Next, I'm dipping my brush in the Heist shade and I'm working it in to create a V shape. Once I'm done blending, I'm going to go ahead and take the darkest eyeshadow in the palette to darken that outer V even more. And I asked Victoria to look straight, as it really helps with eyeshadow application and it also helps to lift the eye. Next, I'm going to use Stila's new Micro Tip Stay All Day Waterproof Eyeliner. I like that its fine ultra thin tip ensures a very precise wing application. Then I'm using Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow from Stila as well. You already know I'm a big fan of Stila glitters. Now I'm just cleaning up all the eyeshadow fallout. For mascara, I'm using Rimmel's Candle Eyes Mascara to give the lashes volume, density and fullness. Before I continue working on the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and move to the face. For a primer, I'm going to use Rimmel's Lasting Finish that works to prolong the overall wear of makeup but also lets the skin breathe for that all-day perfection. And then I'm using Rimmel's Lasting Finish Breathable Foundation. I like that this foundation is lightweight, but yet you can still build the coverage and that it blends nicely to the skin. Now I'm going to go ahead and work on Victoria's eyebrows, filling them in using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil. To cover and conceal the under eyes, I'm using Rimmel's concealer from the Breathable collection as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish Victoria's eyes, and I'm first running the shade Heist and Hot Spell mixed together on her lower lid, and then with a more precise brush I'm using the color Strike to define the area right underneath her lashes. I'm using Urban Decay Glide On Pencil in color Roach in Victoria's waterline to give the eyes a more sharp look. I actually really like to use copper brown shade in the waterline instead of like a black one because it's more subtle, but yet it still adds a very nice effect to the entire eye look. For the lashes, we're going for lots of drama today, so I'm applying Eyelure and Vigasne Grand Glamour lashes. They are very bold and very dramatic, just as we want it. Up next, it's time to highlight and contour Victoria's face, and for the highlight I'm using the same Breathable concealer from Rimmel, and for contour I'm switching to Rimmel's Duo Contour Stick in medium. To blend the nose, I'm using this nose contour brush from Morphe. I just got it and it actually works pretty cool, so I'm gonna be linking it down below as always with all the other products used in this tutorial. Now I'm just setting everything up with the translucent powder. To finish off the face, I'm using Rimmel's Sculpting Palette in Golden Bronze to first deepen the contour, and then I'm adding a pop of color to Victoria's cheeks as well. Now let's add some highlights to make sure she's gonna glow on the dance floor. For lips, I'm first lining them with MAC's Strip Down Pencil, it's my favorite pencil, and then I'm using Rimmel's Moisture Renew lipstick in color Nude. Lastly, I'm using a setting spray from Urban Decay Cosmetics and she's all ready. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's just a perfect look for prom, but it can be worn for so many other occasions. And now it's time for the giveaway! Yay! I'm sure you're excited. So here is what you could win. And here are the rules. First, you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel, and if you are not subscribed yet, please do so now. Second, you must follow me and Rimmel London US on Instagram. And once you do so, just comment below underneath this video the word done and your Instagram handle so I can see and check. It's that simple. Good luck to everyone, and I simply can't wait to send this huge prize to one of you. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I see you very soon.